Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. It's now almost 10 years to the month since I was made redundant from the University of Westminster, where I'd worked for 18 years. Back in 2014, most of my department were made redundant in a series of swingeing cuts that the university carried out, and I've been self-employed since then. Every few months we have little get-togethers of former colleagues from the university, and it's always a lovely chance to catch up with people, to see how people are doing, to keep up with everybody's news and so on. Last time we had one of these little meetups, one of our old colleagues who we hadn't seen for quite some time turned up, and it was lovely to see him. He seemed very well, he was very entertaining. A few days later, I was chatting to Andrew about how nice it had been to see this particular colleague, and Andy responded by saying, yeah, he was on really good form, wasn't he? If you say that someone was on good form, you basically mean that they were feeling and performing well. They seemed very entertaining, they seemed very well, they seemed happy, everything seemed to be good with them. In the same way, you might invite your parents round for dinner, and after they've gone, your partner might respond by saying, no, it was actually really nice to see your folks. Your mum was on very good form, I thought. Maybe you have a party and an old friend of yours turns up and is the life and soul of that particular evening. Later on, you might remark on how good it was to see this particular person and say that they were on very good form at the party because they kept everyone entertained. You also sometimes hear on good form being used to describe dancers or musicians, a band, an orchestra, or maybe a sports team or particular players. So people might say, oh, I thought the band were on really good form last night. Oh, I thought all 6 of the dancers were on really good form. Oh, the team are on great form at the moment, and so on. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use on good form or on great form.